wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica, your English friend, and I am so excited to be with you today for our podcast.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica. Last week, we went shopping. We bought jackets, we bought shirts, we looked stylish. I hope you did your homework. Did you check your clothes? Is your shirt small, medium, or large? Good job. But today we have a new mission. We are leaving the shop. We are leaving the mall. We are going into the city. Imagine this. You are in New York, or Tokyo, or London. You have your shopping bags. You are happy. But then you look around. Everything looks the same. You don't know where you are. Oh no, you are lost. L-O-S-T, lost. It means you do not know where to go. You feel a little panic, but do not worry. Today I will teach you how to travel. We will learn directions and transportation. Are you ready to find your way? Let's go outside. First, let's learn the basics. We are walking on the street. We are pedestrians. Please look at your hands. Lift your left hand. This is the hand on the side of your heart. Left. Now lift your right hand. Right. In English, we use these words for turning. Imagine you are walking. You see a corner. You need to change direction. We say, turn left or turn right. Let's practice. I am your GPS. I am your map. Listen to me. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Go straight means do not turn. Just walk forward. Walk, walk, walk. Go straight. Sometimes people use landmarks. A landmark is a big object. Turn left at the bank. Turn right at the supermarket. Go straight until the park. Let's try a simulation. Close your eyes if you can. You are walking. Go straight. You see a big red building. Turn left. Now walk 2 blocks. You see a blue sign. Turn right. Stop. You arrived. Good job. But what if you are lost? You look at your phone, no battery, no internet. You need to speak to a human. You need to ask a stranger. A stranger is a person you do not know. You must be polite. You cannot just shout, "Where is the train?" No, that is rude. We start with a magic phrase, "Excuse me." Repeat, "Excuse me." Then we ask the question, "Where is the?" Repeat, "Where is the?" Let's combine them. You are looking for the train station. Excuse me, where is the train station? Your turn. Ask me. Very good. Now you are looking for the bus stop. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Go. Perfect. The stranger will answer you. They might say, "It is over there." They point a finger. Or, "Go straight, then turn right." Listen for the key words, left, right, straight. If you hear these, you will be okay. Now, let's talk about transportation. Walking is good, it is healthy, but sometimes the place is far, very far. We need a vehicle. We have 3 popular choices: the taxi, the bus, the train. Let's start with the easiest one, the taxi. Taking a taxi is easy, but it costs money. It is expensive. You stand on the street, you raise your hand, you see a taxi, it stops. You open the door, you sit inside, the driver asks, "Where to?" You give the destination. "To the hotel, please." "To the airport, please." Always say please. It is magic. When you arrive, you ask about the price. "How much is it?" Repeat, "How much is it?" The driver says, $10. You give the money, you say thank you, you step out. Easy. But maybe you want to save money. Taxis are expensive. Let's take the bus. For the bus, you need a ticket. Ticket. Where do you buy a ticket? At a machine, or sometimes on the bus. You wait at the bus stop. The bus comes. You get on. Get on means you step inside the bus. You find a seat. You sit down. You watch the window. The bus moves, but wait, you need to leave the bus. We say, get off. I need to get off here. Get on, enter. Get off, exit. Let's practice. Say, get on. Say, get off. If you are on the subway or the train, it is similar. You go to the station, you look for the platform. The platform is where you wait for the train. Platform 1, platform 2. You get on the train, you get off the train. Now I want to tell you a story. I want you to just listen, relax, close your eyes. I will use short, easy sentences. Imagine the story in your head. Here is the story. I am at the hotel. I open the door. I step outside. The sun is hot. I put on my sunglasses. I want to go to the beach. I look for a taxi. I do not see a taxi. I see a bus stop. I walk to the stop. A woman is there. She waits too. I say, "Excuse me." She looks at me. I ask, "Does this bus go to the beach?" She smiles. She says, "Yes, number 5." We wait. The bus comes. It is a big blue bus. The doors open. I get on. I pay for my ticket. I find a seat. The bus starts. We turn left. We go straight. We drive for 10 minutes. I see the ocean. The water is blue. I am happy. I press the button. The bus stops. I get off. My feet touch the sand. I am at the beach. Did you understand the story? I walked to the bus stop. I took bus number 5. I went to the beach. This is how simple English works. Subject, verb, object. I see a bus. I get on. I pay money. Keep it simple. You do not need long, difficult words to tell a story. Now, let's talk about mistakes, because we all make mistakes. Maybe you take the wrong train. You get on. The train goes, but it goes the wrong way. Oh no! What do? Do you cry? No. You wait for the next stop. You get off. You cross to the other side. You take the train back. It is an adventure. Don't be afraid to get lost. Getting lost is how we learn the city. If you are lost, remember our phrase. Excuse me, I am lost. Where is the station? People are usually kind. They will help you. Phew! We traveled a lot today. We walked, we took a taxi, we took a bus. Let's review our key words. Repeat after me. I want to hear you. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Excuse me. Where is the station? Ticket. Get on. Get off. Excellent! Your pronunciation is getting better every week. Now, I have homework for you. Do not worry, it is fun homework. Tomorrow, when you leave your house, I want you to narrate your life. Speak English to yourself. When you walk to the kitchen, say, I walk straight, I turn left. When you get in your car or on your motorcycle, say, I get on, I start the car. When you see a shop, ask yourself, where is the shop? It is on the right. Do this for 5 minutes. Be your own GPS. If people look at you, it's okay. You are learning. Oh, friends, I have one small favor. Do you like this podcast? If you are happy today, please click the like button. It helps other students find this lesson. And do you want to learn more English with me? Please click subscribe. Don't miss the next class. Also, I want to hear your voice. Please write a comment below. Tell me, do you like the bus or the train? Write bus or write train in the comments. I read every comment. Thank you for your support. So, we went shopping, we traveled to the beach, but now the sun is going down, it is getting dark, we are tired, we need to sleep, we need a bed. In the next episode, we are going to a hotel. How do you check in? How do you ask for a room with a view? What is room service? We will learn how to relax and sleep well. Thank you for traveling with me today. Remember, life is a journey. Sometimes we turn left, sometimes we turn right, but we always keep moving forward. I am Jessica, your English friend. Don't get too lost. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.